I love it. Okay.
But okay. Okay. I don't know why that just feels so funny on my head. Does it look weird? you know how just.
Yeah, sure. Okay, not sure. There we go.
When's the last time you took a vacation? Really? Now, I know last year was a little crazy and there weren't a lot of vacations or traveling going on, but it's funny because, so my partner is French and he thinks it's insane that Americans typically get 2 weeks of paid vacation a year from their jobs, American workers. So I'm not even going to tell him that most actors don't even take that, right? But you know it's true. Actors tend not to take vacation. We take our self-tape equipment wherever we go. We're always waiting for that email from our agent. We feel like we always need to be available and ready to work. I've heard some actors say that they don't even leave during the December holiday because no one else is around, so they want to be around just in case something happens. Guys, this is crazy. We absolutely need to be able to unplug and recharge and rejuvenate ourselves. And there are lots of benefits to that we may not be aware of. But let me speak first to just the fear of leaving, because I totally get it. I'm about to take a vacation and I'm going to France, so I'm not taking any of my self-tape equipment. And so for 2 weeks, I am booked out. And of course, the first thought that runs through my head is, well, what if the best opportunity of my acting career thus far comes in? Do I not want my manager to tell me about that? Right, of course. So I'm here to remind myself and to remind you that we are absolutely held by the universe, and our big opportunity is not going to pass us by. It's impossible for that to happen. It's not going to happen. We're going to be okay. So take some time off to recharge your batteries, to get in touch, to connect with the reason why you're doing this acting thing in the first place. And you will find that you are so much more productive and so much more content and happy with your life once you come back. If you're in that place, because I've been in this place before, where you know what you need to do, but you just can't bring yourself to do it, you're just like, I don't want to do anything right now. It's probably not the case that you need to push yourself. It's probably the case that you need to take a break. So let's do that. Whether it's vacation, whether it's staycation, whatever it is, give yourself some loving time off. And I'll see you on the other side. How long are you going? Yeah, 2.5 weeks. You're not taking your self-tape equipment? No. Have you told your reps? Yeah, she wants to come. That's what Eileen said. She was like, I'm jealous.
Yeah.